This is probably the stupidest network card I've ever seen in my life. For reference, this is a normal network card. You know, it's got your PCIe 4X, connector, 4 RJ45 jacks, and a normal heatsink. And then there's this, which uses an 8X PCIe connector, and this. Yes, this is a type of network slot, I guess, called QSFP. It uses this kind of cable. Basically, cable, card. Oh, that's so satisfying. Just like that. And then this goes to like a network switch like this one. But welcome back to I'm Stupid. So, full honesty, this network card is a 40 gigabit network card. This connector, QSFP, is rated for 40 gigabits. Should be no issue here. This network switch is a gigabit network switch. These connectors look similar to this one, but they're not the same. And me being stupid, wanting to get a 40 gigabit network card connected to a 40 gigabit QSFP cable and connect all of that to this network switch, which I could then connect to my router with RJ45 just to look cool. I really didn't think this through in multiple ways. And the first one was obvious as soon as the network switch arrived, because the second you plug it in, you realize it was a mistake. But then, because you do no research, and you're me, you think that this and this are the same thing, but this is SFP+, this is QSFP, this is rated for 10 gigabit, these ports, this is 40 gigabit, this is 40 gigabit, this is 1 gigabit. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how network stuff works. 40 gigabit equipment is stupid. So, if you remember, I made a video a long time ago where I bought a bunch of random server parts, where I got like 12 of these. I bought for $30, I bought a thing of server gear, and it had like 10 gigabit network cards, which I wish I kept one. It had a RAID controller. I sold those and made like $100. And I got one of these cables. I'm like, what is this? I thought it was an FSP. I thought it was called InfiniBand, which it is. It's called InfiniBand. And why am I wearing glasses? I was gonna be like, I'm wearing glasses because I'm smart, but I didn't do the bit. Whatever. I found this. So from then on, I'm like, I want this somehow to get connected to one of my computers. So I started looking for one of these. I knew I needed some kind of high-speed network switch that has this connector and this connector. Because, sadly, spoiler alert, I don't have 40 gigabit Ethernet. I have 300 megabit Ethernet. Internet, not Ethernet, internet. So, I needed one of these, RJ45s, to go into my network switch, so that my router can connect to that, and then I need one of these to connect to my network switch, so I can transfer this to this without doing this, because that won't work unless I do this. But this is not the right card, and I want to use this cable, and it's just all very stupid. So what was the point of this video? There was no reason. I just wanted to show you that this is stupid, and that this is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. This is a 1 gigabit card. This is a 40 gigabit card. What? Shouldn't they be different? First of all, this has the low profile because it's meant to go in like a server where you only have like 1 or 2 U's. Yeah, that's not gonna work in anything I own. But like, I don't understand how this can do 40 gigabit and this can only do 1, and the size difference. Look at that heatsink. Look at this heatsink. I'm just smashing them together. You know, screw my technology. That's the point. So, 40 gigabit technology is absolutely stupid. If anyone happens to have an adapter RJ45 to QSFP, let me know. And now I know for a fact no one has that, but I'm gonna say it anyway. If you happen to have a network switch, this was like $40, so it's not like I'm gonna sell it totally, because I don't. There's literally no point to it, because like I said, the second you plug it in, you realize you've made a mistake. I'm gonna do the rest of the video like this. I'm kidding. I cannot. I heard what it sounds like in post. It doesn't sound good. So I was really hoping. Then I didn't realize it would be this. I don't know why it's one cable. It makes it that loud. That's the point. I hope you guys kind of enjoyed this video. Now, I only realized recently, right before I recorded this, that actually I think this was in like a recent Linus Tech Tips video of him building the server, and I think I have the exact same one, which I think is hilarious. But I'll leave you with this. Oh, that's the wrong way. Wait, no, that's also the wrong way. That's so nice. Like, you can't. Don't you wish all Ethernet cables were like this? This looks so much cooler. I mean, just look at that. I don't know. So I looked up adapter, and obviously no one in their right mind is making an adapter from this to this. That's the point. Hope you kind of enjoyed this video. 40 gigabit networking technology is stupid. Titan X. That's the video.